Can your 8 GB GPU handle a next-generation image model? In this video, we'll install HunyuanImage 2.1 Distilled GGUF and run it locally using ComfyUI, fully optimized for low VRAM GPUs. Let's review what's mig. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then, clone the extension. Then, we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary models for Hunyuan. I have left the link below the comment, and you can access and download. After downloading, we will move the downloaded files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. Then we will run ComfyUI. Then we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. Then we will reselect the models in the node for the correct downloaded model. I will choose the output image resolution. Now I will run the HunyuanImage workflow. The results are very good. The colors in the photo are very nice. I will try another prompt. And that's it. You've installed HunyuanImage 2.1 Distilled GGUF and generated high-quality AI images locally on a low VRAM GPU. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials.